with another video. But we're back on this thing, Homebase branded thing, and I decided I've run it quite a lot off camera on high, but I was like, I've never done it on camera yet, so I was like, I may as well dedicate a video to running this thing on high speed. Yes, it won't be on it for long, but I can give it a run on high speed for people out there who will want to see that once it's far away from the wall enough. So I've added a new little pull chain onto it, which is just a piece of string, because the pull chain itself is all the way up here because it's somewhere else. This one's got it, but it doesn't have the end little bit on it. So let's give this a run on high, shall we? Lovely amount of air coming off it there. You can definitely hear it. I'm hoping on the camera that's noticeable as well. We can give that another run. Let's do it with the light on this side. Off at the wall, and that's just a little quick video of this thing on high speed. It absolutely flies. It does. It's not slow in the slightest. Lovely thing. I mean, it's a cheap thing from like B&Q and things, but like it does the job if you just want something basic, really. Especially for me, I like fast fans. So when you've got one like this which flies and has that rushing wind noise on it, it sounds and is just overall amazing. I'll mention it again, it doesn't have a light kit because the bulb we've got on it doesn't fit. If anyone's interested, I think that's it, of a bulb. But and there we go, that's that on high speed. Just a quick little video showing how it runs on high. There we go.